The U.S. Army is rapidly advancing its defenses against drone threats through a groundbreaking contract with Danish company MyDefence, valued at $26 million. This historic agreement highlights Washington's focus on equipping soldiers worldwide with compact, wearable counter-drone technology designed for the challenges of modern warfare. MyDefence Soldier Kit combines the lightweight Wingman drone detection module and the Pitbull electronic jammer into a sleek, 1.3 kg unit that can be easily affixed to a soldier's tactical gear. This portable system empowers troops with real-time awareness and the ability to detect, track, and disrupt hostile unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, without sacrificing mobility. Recent evaluations by the U.S. European Command during joint exercises in Germany showcased the Soldier Kit's effectiveness in complex operational environments. Developed specifically to fill a critical gap in frontline drone defense, the Soldier Kit is the result of extensive iterative design and rigorous battlefield testing. MyDefence modular concept has evolved to counter a wide array of drone threats, ranging from consumer-grade quadcopters to heavily armed UAVs. Its mobile, frequency-flexible design offers a distinct tactical edge over traditional stationary jamming stations, reflecting lessons learned from earlier C-UAS deployments in Iraq and Afghanistan. In contrast to other counter-UAS systems, often vehicle-mounted or base-fixed, supplied by U.S. and Israeli manufacturers, the Soldier Kit's compact modularity is particularly suited for asymmetric combat scenarios. The Danish solution stands out for providing individual soldiers with scalable and targeted electronic protection against increasingly sophisticated drone swarms and electronic attack techniques. This positions MyDefence as a significant contender in a fast-growing defense sector seeking agile, soldier-level countermeasures. Strategically, the contract marks a shift in U.S. military doctrine towards decentralized and distributed force protection. By outfitting individual troops with wearable C-UAS tools, the Army acknowledges the rising threat of drones on dispersed and fluid battlefields. This evolution raises important considerations about how future conflicts, spanning Eastern Europe to the Indo-Pacific, will rely heavily on adaptable counter-drone technologies to maintain operational superiority and troop safety amid the widespread use of commercial drones repurposed for combat. The $26 million procurement covers the delivery of 485 Soldier Kit units, with initial deployments already underway within U.S. European Command (EUCOM) forces. Beyond validating MyDefence's innovative platform, the contract lays groundwork for further acquisitions and stronger industrial ties between the Danish company and U.S. defense stakeholders. While past contracts have been discreet, this prominent award signals growing trust in MyDefence capabilities, setting the stage for competition alongside American and NATO-aligned C-UAS suppliers in the near future. Ultimately, the U.S. Army's substantial investment in wearable counter-UAS technology reflects a crucial transformation in battlefield tactics. As drone threats become ever more prevalent, solutions like the Soldier Kit ensure that frontline soldiers remain equipped to counter unmanned aerial adversaries effectively, no matter where they are deployed.